that gate we're building. Gate posts. They're going to go on this corner. I'm going to replace this post and that post. I'm going to put the gate in at a 45-degree angle with two little side sparks, so I can get my tractor in and out through here, this nice low corner. Got easy access from our second driveway here from the road. So yeah, this is where I'll be putting that up. Alright, out here doing a little bit of timber framing. Make me a new nice large gate post. I have some round logs. This is going to be the right gate post. I got the left gate post over here charred. I'll be putting this on the corner of the fence, 45 degrees, so I had to offset the little side rail braces here at 22.5 degrees. Got my cross beams, and of course I've got my other two end posts here. This is going to serve two purposes. It's going to be both the entrance gate and the strengthened corner. So finishing up the right post here, and then I'm going to lay it out, and I'm going to cut this log to 14 foot and figure out where I need to put my mortises in order to put the two end posts exactly 12 foot apart from the face edge of the log, not from the tenon. I went through and I straightened up and repainted some of these old gates I already had. These are 12-foot gates. I repainted one red, one green. This one was missing this center brace section, so I welded up something different for it. But these are good and dry. I'm going to use this red gate for this big gate. So let's get a little bit further along and cutting these, and we'll go through charring, and I should be able to put up a diagram of some sort to show you what this is supposed to look like. Cicadas are terrible. Alright, I got that tenon made. I've rotated the log 22.5 degrees. I laid out my markings for my mortises here. I took a little handheld pruning saw and cut the border. I went and I cut it down flush. We got a flattish face here. I'll clean this up when we're done with the plane. And then now I'm going through with my small drill here, and I'm drilling out pilot holes here, and that's just going to make running the Forstner bit down in through there easier. This is some hard oak, and that little point on the Forstner bit, it really takes a lot of effort to get it pushed down into this oak. So pre-drilling the holes for that point will make it just blaze right down through these. And just after that, we're going to have a little bit of cleanup to do with the chisel. I'll flip it over because these are going to be through mortises, and I'll cut a matching hole on the other side and we'll connect them through to the middle. Alright, well, looks like we're getting rained out. To get the two mortises cut all the way through. And we got our tenon cut. So this one's ready to be charred. But it's raining, so we're going to see if we can get away with doing that tomorrow if it don't rain. I'll just roll off down here in the gravel and go over chart and brushes. I'll record that for you so you can see how we do that. And then this big long log back here, that's the last one. I need to cut it off at about 14 foot. Get the two end posts set up 12 foot apart, and then measure the distance between the tenons so I can have enough room in between the posts to hang the gate, which is 12 foot. So that'll be what comes up here on the sawhorses next. So I think that's going to be it for tonight.